When people think about the word addiction, they think, oh, he drinks too much, he's an alcoholic, or she does heroin, she's a heroin addict, or whatever the thing might be. Cocaine, methamphetamine, cannabis, whatever someone could get caught in a negative way. I'm looking at addiction in a very broad way. Addiction is any behavior that you continue despite the fact it brings a negative consequence into your life. Any behavior that brings a negative consequence into your life that you continue. And of course, the challenge with this is there are behaviors that we do which begin as potentially positive behaviors, which later on develop into behaviors that no longer serve us and now have become detrimental to our life. It can be confusing for an individual to discern. For me with cannabis, for example, when I was 13 years old and I had nothing else to elevate my emotion and to calm my hyperactive mind, I had no
Yeah.
teachers. I had no access to yogic information. I didn't understand how to use the breath to change my emotional state. I didn't understand how to use movement to change my emotional state in a yogic sense, at least. So what I had was cannabis, and it worked. At that time, when I was a child, an adolescent, through those next 10 years of my life, cannabis calmed my hyperactive mind. It gave me a sort of a chance to more be able to enjoy the day. That's real for me. So why would you ever stop? Well, you would stop because you changed in some fundamental ways, and your relationship with the thing became addictive in nature, where for me to go out and enjoy a movie, time with a friend, time with a lover, to enjoy a sunset or time in nature, or to enjoy anything required that I be high on cannabis. And at some point, somebody recognizes, wow, this has gotten out of control. It didn't used to be, or it didn't feel like it used to be, but now it is. And only now I'm so enveloped in the habit and the lifestyle and the community of people that also live this way. This is an incredibly difficult thing to break out of. So addiction is tricky for an individual to sort of discern in some ways for this reason that I'm describing. But that would be my definition.